Is your 2013 Hyundai Elantra's alarm randomly activating? The most common culprits are faulty door hood switches, key fob issues, or a weak car battery. Start by checking if all doors, hood, and trunk are fully closed. Next, try replacing the key fob battery. A weak signal can trigger false alarms. If those are not the issues, examine the door and hood switches for corrosion or damage. These switches signal unauthorized access. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM error codes, which can point to the specific problem. These are the primary causes for the alarm to go off for your car. For the key fob battery, simply replace it with a fresh one to fix signal problems. This is the easiest and cheapest solution. If the door or hood switch is faulty, replace it with an aftermarket or OEM part that includes weatherproofing to prevent future issues. Clean any corrosion from the hood latch by removing rust and debris to ensure it works properly. For BCM issues, consider third-party tools or professional help. Always disconnect the battery before repairs to avoid hazards.